what's up my beautiful red carpet curls royalty? So today's video is another That's That Magic video. Matter of fact, I have it right here, another tutorial, but it is a little different. As you can see, I am not using my normal background. I don't have any makeup on. My hair is up in a little bun and everything. This is a pretty chill video. You can see my bedroom and everything, all the work I am constantly doing back there for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how I like to shave using only the oil. I'm not going to be using any shaving creams, water, soap, none of that. I'm only going to be using the oil itself. That way it moisturizes my skin, softens it, and allows for easier removal of the hair. And then later on, when I am ready to shower, I like to do my legs, shave my legs outside of the shower, just, you know, save some time and stuff. And especially most of the time, as you can see my placement, I'm on my apartment floor. So you can see I just have like a towel. I have my gym shorts from high school, by the way, if you don't believe me. See, SJB, St. Jean Baptiste High School. Yes, I went to an all-girls Catholic school, which is why I am so smart and I love chemistry. I must be making my chemistry teacher in high school, professor, well, I say professor because we went to college and stuff, but in high school, you know, Mr. Saywak, I think it was? Yeah, was it? Yeah. He was my chemistry teacher, even on the weekends, because I went to a special program. It was amazing, which is why it served me so well, because I needed to know all the chemistry behind hair and skin. But anyway, that was a whole different thing. So I'm just going to show you using my That's That Magic oil. I have this on my carpet so I don't mess up my carpet. It gets all the hair and the oil out. And then I will be using my favorite razor, which is it's called the Billy razor. So once I order another pack, I'm going to do a separate tutorial on it. I absolutely love this razor. It has really unique features. So if you look really, really close at it, it has 5 blades, so it makes for much faster shaving. And then all surrounded by the blades is pure aloe vera. So I'm getting moisturized from the actual oil and the blade itself because of the aloe vera. So that is what we are working with today. As you can see, I'm already, my little station is set up. I have the That's That Magic oil, which, as you all know by now in this series of videos, I am the That's That Magic ambassador. I absolutely adore this oil. As you can see from the series, I'm showing you the many different ways that I adore to use this oil. Honestly, it does not get any better than That's That Magic. You heard the other videos already. If you haven't, make sure you check out that playlist on YouTube, just so that you can hear how amazing this oil is and, you know, all the different benefits it has. As you can see, all the different uses right there, all the amazing oils in this blend. It's completely curly girl method friendly, so no silicones or anything bad that would go in your skin. It just nourishes your skin. So here's my Billy razor. I do have an extra cloth here just to wipe off the oil and the hair when I'm done. And here I have the That's That Magic in the container so that I can just submerge my razor when I am trying to clean it. Okay, so this is how my legs are starting out. I have not been able to shave my legs in about, I would say this is like about, what, 3 weeks of growth. So you can see just scraggly long hair. My skin is not very dry, only because I use That's That Magic as my skin moisturizer. So once I come out of the shower, I immediately wipe off any water and I start to put That's That Magic. That's why, you know, my skin is beginning to improve, because I am doing this more often. So this is my beginning. As you can see, they are a little bit dry just because I haven't nourished them today with the oil. So you're gonna see by the end, my dull, pale appearance legs with the hair are gonna be beautiful, soft, shiny, silky smooth skin. So first I'm going to start out by using the That's That Magic as like my pre-shave oil. So I'm going to use the oil first to moisturize the skin and quote unquote moisturize the hair. But we all know that oils do not moisturize hair. All they do is soften hair. So if I use the oil to soften the hair, it helps me to remove it easier. And also as a pre-shave oil, the oil is immediately absorbed by my skin. It nourishes it, it moisturizes it, and the oils in the blend help to prevent skin irritation. So especially for sensitive skin, this is a great tip. Now I'm ready to go in with my oil. I do have a little bit of the That's That Magic oil in this little container. That's just to help me clean off the blade whenever I'm trying to clean it in between passes. So you're going to see from this first pass right here, nothing but glowing skin after the hair is removed. Look. Gorgeous. Do you see that shine? Do you see the way my skin reflects the light? It's absolutely amazing. Like, come on. So I'm just going to continue shaving the rest of my leg to show you the results. But as I've talked about in previous That's That Magic videos, we all know That's That Magic is a blend of fantastic all natural oils. So that's already one benefit of using this oil as compared to shaving creams or anything like that. The all natural ingredients, because your skin absorbs every oil. And two of the oils I specifically want to talk about really quickly, just their benefits for you as a shaving oil, is the coconut oil and the olive oil. So according to the International Journal of Molecular Science, coconut oil is fantastic as a shaving oil just because it acts as an antibacterial, it has antioxidants, it reduces skin inflammation, so that means no razor burns, no bumps, anything like that, especially useful for sensitive skin. It helps to repair the skin barrier. So many amazing benefits. Olive oil is a natural lubricant, so it leaves your skin very, very moisturized after the shaving. It's also see-through, so compared to shaving creams, you can actually see what hair is still there, what you need to remove, and what's okay, so that allows you to do less passes across your skin, which makes for less irritation. And of course, it is olive oil. Oils are more inexpensive than shaving creams in the long run, especially. It is so good because it's moisturizing, it's all natural, inexpensive, so you can have far more uses out of it than you would shaving cream. And of course, since it's all natural oils, they're good for the environment, it's good for your skin. Honestly, it's an overall amazing oil and it makes for great shaving. So I'm going I know it looks like I'm doing a lot of passes, but I'm going very, very gingerly across. And the Billy razor has strips of aloe vera around it, which is also moisturizing my skin as I go so that I don't cause any further irritation. So as you can see, this is a pretty quick process in the long run if you really think about things. I am able to shave so quickly. I'm getting all the hair out. You see how quickly it's all coming out, and it's leaving me with gorgeous, beautiful, shining skin underneath as compared to many shaving creams and even post shaving creams which contain drying oils, which will dry out your skin even more, causing you to buy other moisturizers and stuff like that. That's That Magic actually moisturizes your skin. So once I do this and then I use soap in the shower to remove any oil and stuff like that, and then use That's That Magic again after my shower as my nightly moisturizer, it leaves my skin looking gorgeous. But look at these results here without even taking a shower or anything. That gorgeous shine, all the hair is removed. Look at that before and after. Look at the shine that's coming out of that leg. Even I can't get over it. Definitely a noticeable difference. So from these results, you can clearly see why I've been shaving with That's That Magic for a year, and I will never ever go back to regular shaving creams. I saw a couple, sulfates. I saw a lot of silicones and stuff like that, just things that are horrible for your skin. So once I started the CG method, and I did no sulfates, silicones, or parabens in my hair care, it ended up switching to my skincare as well. So that is why I use That's That Magic to shave my legs. You can see how easy it is, how quick it was for me. I adore it. If you want to try it, definitely purchase That's That Magic and let me know how it goes. You can even, listen, this may be a shaky camera, this may be a personal video today, but at least it's out there. You can see how it is. If it works for you, fantastic. If it doesn't, don't worry. Everyone has their own way of doing things. You may not like it. It's totally cool, but this is just another option that you have with Thatsthatmagic that I really wanted to show you guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoy the random little facts I gave you about, you know, my high school and stuff like that. I don't know. But yeah, just another commitment to wanting to share more of myself with you guys, and of course to promote Thatsthatmagic, just because honestly I don't promote Thatsthatmagic just because I'm an ambassador. I became an ambassador because I believed in the product that much. So in the description box below, you will find my written review of Thatsthatmagic, and you're going to find the link to my Thatsthatmagic playlist where I show you how I like to scrunch out the crunch for my hair with the oil, how I like to use the oil to remove my makeup. I also use it as a serum while I'm clearing years of cystic acne. My face used to be covered in cystic acne, and now it's just this one little spot. Thatsthatmagic had a huge factor, was a huge factor in clearing my skin as well. So you can see I have scars that are healing thanks to Thatsthatmagic as well. Honestly, I can't live without this oil. That's why I promote it to you guys so much, and that's why I made this series for you guys. If you want to purchase Thatsthatmagic, you can use our special discount code Red Carpet Curls. That will save you money each and every time you use it. Trust me, you are going to fall in love with this little bit of paradise, and honestly, my skin has been thanking me every single day for as amazing of a choice I made for skincare. So I really hope that you try Thatsthatmagic as well and jump on our train, and just to see how me and so many other curly girls and gurus just have fallen in love with this product. So until next time, and my next Thatsthatmagic video, which I actually have no idea what that will be at the moment. But until next time, make sure that you are subscribed to the Red Carpet Curls YouTube channel, website, Instagram, you know, the whole deal. All the links are down below. So I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.